Today, we're doing a deep dive into color correction, and more importantly, we'll break down what each slider does when you move it left or right. Let's jump in. First, open your project and tap on your clip, then tap Adjust. You'll now see a bunch of sliders. Here's what happens with each one. Brightness, slide it left, your video gets darker. Slide it right and it gets brighter. Contrast, move left to reduce the difference between light and dark, making the video flatter. Move right and your video gets more punch with deeper shadows and brighter highlights. Saturation, slide left, colors fade toward black and white. Slide right and colors pop, great for vibrant looks. Brilliance, think of it as mid-tone brightness. Slide left to tone down the mids. Slide right to enhance brightness without blowing out highlights. Temperature, slide left to cool things down, adds blue tones. Slide right to warm it up, adds orange yellow tones. Shadow, slide left to deepen the dark areas. Slide right to reveal more detail in the shadows. Whites, slide left to reduce highlights. Slide right to brighten only the lightest parts of your video. Blacks, slide left for rich, deep blacks. Slide right to lift the blacks, which gives a faded or film look. Hue, this changes the overall color tone. Sliding it shifts the colors entirely from greenish to purplish to pinkish, depending on how far you go. As you adjust, you'll see the live changes right on your screen, so you can dial in the perfect look for your video. And that's your complete color correction breakdown in CapCut Mobile. Play around with the sliders and build your unique visual style. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this.